Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be showing you how I'm going to remove my front bumper on my 2019 Veloster Turbo. I am going with a silver and teal look on my Veloster. I was going with a black and red, but everybody does that. Sorry, silver and red, but everybody does that, so I want to make it a little different. So I'm going to try to today remove my bumper to see if I can get the little red accents on the bottom here out. Apparently, I've been told you can do it with without removing the bumper, but I was trying and I can't figure out how the clips are actually made, and I don't want to be breaking these things and having to replace them, so I'd rather just take off the bumper and try and do it myself. So the first thing I did was remove 4 little bolts here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all 10 mil, so everybody should have a 10 mil socket laying around somewhere. Alright guys, so the next thing you're going to do is take out the little screw that's here. It's a Phillips screw. Pretty easy to do. You can do it with your wheel straight, and then there's 3 little push pins that you need to take out. Easiest way to do it is turn your wheel to the right towards passenger when you're working on the driver's side to have more room. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So like I said guys, if you turn your wheel to the right, you get way more room to work here. So I'm just going to get a flathead screwdriver because I don't have any of those specialty tools to take the push pins out, and see if I can get these out easily. Right, let's see how this is going to work here. Very easy to come out, actually. Wow. I've never had it this easy. There you go. Usually you have to pry at them pretty good. These are plastic. They're not really rubberized like the other ones. So make sure you don't lose these, because you will need them to put it back together. But this is awesome. They come out super easy and they don't break. I'm just going to do the other side. I don't think I need to show you that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so car is now jacked up. I'm going to get under there and see what I need. Alright guys, so I was actually mistaken. There's 4 10 mil bolts along the underneath here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got more of these push pins here to take out. So you actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 push pins to take out. Hopefully they're not too hard to take out and they're easy like the wheel wells. So I'll go ahead and take those out and let you know if there's anything else. Alright guys, so push pins are out and the 4 bolts are out underneath. I think that's it. It looks like that's it. A couple other things I'm going to be wanting to do with this front bumper. I want to see if I can take the front emblem out. I've been told no. And then the other thing is these little chrome strips here. I want to take those out somehow and get them either painted or wrapped. Like I said, I'm going with a teal and silver look, so I don't have a lot of options for paint. I've been looking for caliper paint, and so far I haven't found anything in Canada. Everything is in the States. So let's see if we can pull this bumper off. The train here is passing right beside the house right now, so you're not going to hear very much. Sorry for that. Alright, so the train's passed. From what I've been told, there's little clips underneath here, and that should be all. I'm trying to figure out how this comes out. So, kind of pull on that a bit. Don't think you'll break it, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just little clips holding it in place. Other than that, you should be good. There you go. And looks like we're good to take it off. So I'm going to go do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the bumper is off. This is what it looks like on the inside. Looks like there is actually pins to get those chrome little bezels in the fog light area out, so we might be able to push those out. So maybe I can actually wrap these at the same time as I wrap the little red accents at the bottom. I'll give you guys a closer look here. Give me 1 second. Looks like I'll be able to take these out pretty easily with the push of the clip here. See how this side works. Just like that, I believe. Yeah, these are really easy to take out once they're actually off the frame. Look at that. You just kind of push the clip down and push it through. That is awesome. There's another one there that I was missing. Make sure you got all of them pushed through. Go slowly with this. You don't want to break it. There you go. One's out. So you got one clip here on the side, one here on the bottom, one on the top, one on the bottom. Sorry about that. One on the top there again, and then one on the side. So I'll start from the side here, push that clip in. This clearly wasn't clipped in properly. Push up on that one, push out, push down on there, push out, push up, push out, and push to the side, and we got those off. That's awesome. Let's see what I can do with that, and I'll get back to you. See how well this comes out, or how well this I can wrap this. I'm not actually using wrap. I'm using vinyl that I use to make stickers. So we'll see. Never actually done this before, but it's a small trim piece, so hopefully it's pretty easy to do. Alright guys, so this is the final product. The little red accents that were at the bottom look pretty good. The chrome pieces where the fog lights go, I didn't do so well on them. There's a weird little curve at the end, and it just kept bubbling up and stuff, so I left it like that for now. I'm probably going to take off my bumper next week and either paint them black, or hopefully I can find a teal that I like to paint them. All in all, it took me an hour to do all of this, so really not bad. The hardest part was just taking out the actual clips from the red pieces, which were pretty easy. Putting it all back together was extremely easy. I just started from the bottom and went to the top, the little clips underneath, and then the bolts, and then putting the clips and screw back in the wheel wells, and then the top inside the hood, and that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys want to see me do with this. I didn't really talk about it, but the front emblem, the front Hyundai emblem. Looks a little tricky to take out. I'm going to try and figure that one out next week, because I want to plasti dip it black or paint it black. So hopefully I can do something with that soon, and I'll probably show you that process if you guys want to see it. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see.